Hey guys, so you're looking for an office chair. Well, here I have two of the Neo office chairs, a mid back and a high back. The first thing that you notice is the size. Yes, this one is substantially bigger. It's gonna be able to hold more load versus the mid back here. And then right following with that, you have more support on this guy with the upper back support, having that high back versus the mid back. So depending on the type of support and load you want the chair to have, that is up to you. A perk of the mid back is adjustable armrests. We like to have that, adjust them wherever we need, or simply keep them all the way up, get in and out easily. Just a nice little perk to have those adjustable armrests. Good padding throughout the entire chair on both chairs, you guys. Really nice padding on the back, the bottom support. So that is one thing that Neo does really well when making these office chairs, is the attention to detail and the quality, which I think this high back has a little bit more attention to detail and quality. Look at the silver legs, and these wheels feel a little bit more high quality than the mid back here. But as far as mechanisms, they work the same. There's a little bit of a recline on each one. You have a good height, so this is the highest height on both of them. Now let's take a seat on the high back. As you can see, this is covering my entire back. So my shoulders are covered. Everything is really nicely supported except for my neck and head. So this is the lowest this guy goes. Now if we hop onto the mid back, we adjust this guy down. It goes slightly lower, and then as you can tell, I have some of my shoulders and neck not being supported here, but it's really not too much of a difference. The mid back does still do a nice job at giving support. And as you can see, guys, the mid back recline is really nice. Let's check out the recline on the high back. Not as much. So not as much recline on the high back versus that mid back. Now, as I mentioned, guys, quality on these chairs is about the same. They really do a nice job with the quality of the stitching and how well these are made. You have nice lumbar support on both of these chairs, good cushion on both of them. The white stripes and accents on both of the chairs makes them look unique, fashionable, stylish in that room. It's going to make the chair pop, so I really love those accents. But overall, this high back has more support on the upper back. It's going to hold more load. It's going to keep you contained in here with these really strong armrests. So I think that this high back moves around a little bit better due to these wheels versus the mid back here. So they both do move around well. They both have that 360 swivel. This guy I just think is a little better job at maneuverability. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison of the mid back and the high back Neo office chairs. Both have their perks. Both are amazing office chairs. Neo does a really good job with the quality. Easy to assemble as well, both about 20 to 25 minutes to assemble. You will love either one. I would highly recommend these office chairs to you.